Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to give you a list of about 6 things that you'll need when going natural. The questions that I get are mainly from persons who are going natural, have just big chopped, or are thinking about going natural. So this is why I thought that it would be important to do a video like this to tell you guys what you need and what I used when I just went natural. So the first thing you need is a conditioner. As naturals, we use a lot of conditioner because that's what gets our hair soft. That's what allows us to be able to detangle our hair. So you definitely need a conditioner. The conditioner that I use when I just went natural, and even now this is my favorite conditioner, is the Tresemme conditioner. Any one of them, because I think they all work the same, even though they have a different label on the bottle. They all work the same and smell the same to me. So whichever one I say, that's the one I buy. If your conditioner, some people don't know this, but if your conditioner doesn't cause your hair to melt, like literally melt, and you can run your fingers through it easily, then that conditioner is not good for you. You shouldn't. No matter waste your time and include it in your regimen. So I know sometimes we pay a lot of money for products and we don't want to waste it, so we try to use it up. But I'm just letting you know that if that's the conditioner if that's the type of conditioner you're working with that doesn't give your hair slip, then you're going to have a problem. So speaking of conditioners, the next type of conditioner that you would need is a leave-in conditioner. This is what will help in keeping your hair moisturized and soft after you finish washing. The leave-in conditioner that I used when I just went natural was Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In, and I still love that conditioner even now, because don't think I found anyone with that cause my hair to feel as soft as how that one cause my hair to feel. So yeah, I haven't repurchased it in a while because I've been using other stuff and trying to go around it. So yeah, I haven't repurchased that. So if some people have dry hair problem and they don't know why, and then when you ask them what they use to moisturize their hair, they're like, when you're just going natural, you need a leave-in conditioner, because you're going to have to learn how to moisturize natural hair. So the next thing now, you'll need an oil or a butter. Depending on how thick your hair is, some people may prefer butter like shea butter, mango butter, avocado butter. If your hair is kind of thinner or lighter, or finer, then you can use argan oil, grapeseed oil, because those oils are lighter. So you have to really examine your hair and see what kind of hair type you have and what will work with it. So I recommend just getting olive oil. You can get it in the supermarket in the oil aisle. It's really inexpensive and it works. It softens my hair, and I believe it will soften anybody here. And I can't say anybody because I can't talk for everybody, but it works for me, so I believe it will work. Next thing that you need is a spray bottle with water. Now every morning, if your hair is out like this all the time, whenever you're doing your hair, you're going to have to spray it with water to get it pliable, so you don't rip out your hair when you're doing it, because combing out natural hair when it's dry, just working with it when it's dry, overall it's going to tear out your hair. It's going to cause it to get frustrated. It's going to cause it to wonder why other people can comb them hair so easy and why you can't comb your hair. So yeah, it's necessary to get a spray bottle with water to spray your hair every time you're about to comb it. So if it's dry, you're going to have problems. You can't detangle curly hair, kinky hair with a fine tooth comb. The comb will broke and it's going to make you feel like your head dry and tough. So you need to get a wide tooth comb so that it's easier to detangle your hair. This one is not really a need, but for me, I need it, but some people don't need it. The next thing is gel. To get a lot of these curly hairstyles that you see, we use gel. Some people with lighter hair or looser texture, they can use creams to get their hair to be like this, curly like this, or defined. But I need gel because my hair is frizzy, and creams just naga cut it, because that just naga do nothing for my hair. Some people can use conditioner and get a wash and go. I can't do that. I've tried. I've used light gels and it don't work. I need thick, heavy gels. So depending on what kind of styler you need, again, it depends on your hair type. You need to examine your hair and see if your hair is fine or if it's thick. When your hair is thick, you need thicker, heavier products, and if your hair is fine, you need lighter products. I need gel. If it's even to just lay down your edges, I think gel is necessary. So even if you're not buying the big jar to do a wash and go like this, gel is necessary. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know if I missed anything. Also, let me know what products you used when you just went natural, or if you just big chopped, let me know what products you are using. And if I missed anything, you can leave it in the description box. You know, somebody will definitely benefit from reading it. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos because we'll be uploading every day for the month of May. Pray for me, guys. This is a challenge. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.